fam, welcome back to Digital Wealth Hive. If you're new here, we're seriously stoked to have you joining us. Don't forget to drop some love by tapping that like button, subscribing to our channel, and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss any of our dope updates. Let's dive right into the journey of building that wealth together. Did y'all know there's this Amazon product pulling in over $2,000 in passive income? I got super intrigued by this amazing achievement and dug deeper into the market. Turns out, there's a bunch of similar listings bringing in some serious cash. The excitement of these finds made me want to dive in and get started. It's time to step into a new business venture that's about to get lit. I'm all set to harness the power of AI. From finding those hidden product gems and crunching data to creating killer content with the help of AI's genius. Get ready to ride this wave to success. No worries, I got your back on turning your idea into a top-notch polished product that's ready to stack up that passive income. Our journey is going to focus on Amazon KDP, a way to sell your books on Amazon without dropping any upfront dough and making royalties from every sale. The stuff you're going to learn from this video is going to empower you to whip up top-quality products that can dominate Amazon's playground. Let's get ready to rock this path to success in the Amazon selling game. Now, for all my peeps wondering, what kind of books we talking about? Here's the deal. Step 1 is finding that perfect niche for our book. So we're turning to ChatGPT to brainstorm some book ideas. Among all the options, like coloring books and puzzles, one idea that stands out is creative writing prompts. These books give writers exercises to craft super engaging stories. Feeling the vibes of this concept, we're going to roll with creating a similar book. But before we dive in, we gotta narrow down our target audience. To make that happen, we're heading over to Amazon and searching up creative writing prompts. Then we'll use the spacebar magic to focus on kids aged 8 to 12. This move's gonna dial down the competition and bring us to around 1,000 results. With a potential niche locked and loaded, it's time to check if it's raining dollars. To do this, we're going to bring in Jungle Scout, this paid tool that's got our back. Lucky us, we find there's decent demand and competition for our chosen category. But here's the bomb part. Brand new listings are already raking in some solid cash, like $2,500 in just 2 months. With confidence in our niche's potential, we're going to deep dive into our competitors' listings. After some hardcore research, we're going to cook up a fresh approach. A creative writing book for kids aged 7 to 10, packed with 40 weeks of prompts. Each prompt's going to have a title, a quick description, and some artwork, putting us in a lane of our own. Now we're down to 2 big steps, crafting the book and dropping it on Amazon. To smooth out the process, we're going to give the chatbot all the info it needs, and in no time, it's going to whip up the main content for the book, including prompts for each week. We're rolling towards creating a killer product for Amazon KDP. Let's kick things off with Canva design. First up, the book cover. It's the first thing catching the eye. Peep the other listings for ideas on book size. If they're using 8.5 by 11 inches, hit up Google and search Amazon KDP cover calculator. Hit up that first link and plug in the deets. Then hit Calculate Dimensions to grab that template. The template's going to come with a PNG and a PDF file. Open the PDF and grab those dimensions. Now head over to Canva, make a custom design using those template dimensions. To make sure it's on point, upload the PNG and use the ruler. Hit Shift+R to draw up guidelines following the template. Once them guidelines are set, let your creativity flow and start cooking up your design. Check out the other covers, take notes on their style, and grab some screenshots for inspo later. Spend about an hour getting your design right, keep it clean but eye-catching. Toss in the book title and any AI-made artwork. When your cover's locked and loaded, double-check its fit by overlaying the PNG template with some transparency. Make sure it's looking fly, then download the cover as a PDF for printing. Time to work on the book pages. Use that content ChatGPT cooked up earlier. Match the page size just like the cover. There's a link in the description taking you to free templates. Grab those and use them to whip up your book pages, keeping things looking smooth and consistent. Now you're ready to dive into the fun part, making your book a visual feast for your readers. Next, we're crafting a page to let parents know what skills their kid's gonna learn from the workbook. ChatGPT is gonna come through and whip up all these pages with style. We're gonna keep it simple with the week number, a catchy title, and those ChatGPT prompts. Each story is gonna have AI-made art, followed by 4-lined pages for jotting down the details. But remember, don't just copy and paste ChatGPT's stuff. Give it a grammar check and use tools like Grammarly. Once all these pages are looking slick, your book's ready to take on the world. Now it's time to let ChatGPT cook up some epic book titles. Put together a list of high-traffic keywords, grab them from competitor titles, or use tools like Jungle Scout. Then head over to ChatGPT and let it whip up some catchy titles for you. Pick your fave, make any tweaks, and boom, you got yourself an intriguing book title. With your masterpiece ready, it's time to make the move and get it on Amazon. Create a free account on Amazon KDP and jump into the dashboard. Click Create and pick the book type, probably paperback. Fill in all the info. Starting with that title, gotta sprinkle them keywords to attract the readers. Let ChatGPT whip up a killer product description. Choose the right book category, check out similar listings, or peep the deets on your competition's pages. Toss in some relevant keywords and save your progress. Move on to the book content section. Pick the print option, black and white or color, depending on your Canva masterpiece. Upload them book pages and cover. Once everything's in place, fire up the previewer and peep how your book's gonna look. If it's looking sweet, approve the layout, save it up, and on to the final exciting step. Congrats! You're on the brink of unleashing your creation to the world. Now, on this page, you have the chance to set the price for your book. For instance, if you choose to list your book at $17.99, you'll receive $4.59 on each sale you make. However, do keep in mind that this might be considered relatively low due to the premium colored book, which entails higher printing costs. Once you've finalized the price, simply click on Publish. The Amazon team will then review and approve the book, provided there are no issues. And in case you spot any errors during the review, don't worry. Just head back to Canva. Make the necessary changes to the template and re-upload your corrected version. You've just embarked on an empowering financial adventure with us. If this video left you inspired, make sure to show some love with a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our tribe of financially savvy individuals. Please let me know if you have any queries or need further assistance. I'll be pleased to assist you. Stay on the edge of your seat for our next mind-blowing video. Get ready to uncover even more game-changing strategies to skyrocket your financial well-being. This has been Digital Wealth Hive, your gateway to financial freedom. See you on the next video.